How to download and install apps on Samsung Smart TV. Please watch full video for better and permanent solution. You brought a new Samsung Smart TV and wondering how to install apps on Samsung Smart TV, then this is for you. You can install any Android application by using a Smart Hub on your Samsung Smart TV without any trouble by just following a few simple steps. Install apps on Samsung Smart TV. Step 1. Turn on your Smart TV and navigate to Apps section using your remote. Click on Smart Hub. Step 2. Click OK and open Apps section. Step 3. In the Apps section, you will see different categories of apps listed already on your Smart TV. For example, downloaded apps, which mean apps on your Samsung Smart TV or already installed apps, will be listed in this section. Step 4. You can click on genre and choose which genre apps you want to install on Samsung Smart TV. Step 5. If you are looking to install a video app on Samsung Smart TV, just go ahead and click on video genre and all video genre apps will be listed. You can choose which video app to install from here. Step 6. Select the desired application you want to install on Samsung Smart TV and click on it. Note: if you are not seeing the app listed, do a search by using the search bar at the top by typing the name of the application. Step 7. Now by using Samsung Smart TV remote, press OK on Install button. Step 8. Once you click on Install, app gets downloaded and installed automatically. Step 9. Once it gets installed on your Samsung Smart TV, you will have a button open. Step 10. Now click on Open to access the app on Samsung Smart TV and enjoy streaming on your Samsung TV. Note: once you install the app on Samsung Smart TV, next to the Open button you can see Add to a Home. You can also add the app to Add to Home by clicking on Add to the Home button.